Good morning, everyone. It is Friday morning before Memorial Day weekend. I cannot wait. Oh, long weekend. I live for them. Gorgeous out right now. Birds flying into my grass over there, sorry. Gorgeous outside right now. Going to be near 90 again today. Maybe some thunderstorms this afternoon. Mid-90s tomorrow. Whew. Can't. Love this weather. Sorry, allergies killing me right now. All in my chest. So, all right, I'm heading into work right now. Should be a typical day. Hopefully we get out early because of the long weekend. That would be nice. Not counting on it, but it'd be nice. So, do like I do every single day. Dash cam. Hey everyone, it is almost 1 o'clock. We're getting out of here at 1 o'clock today for Memorial Day weekend. Nice long weekend, going to be hot as anything. Supposed to be 94 degrees out tomorrow, and I think Sunday is going to cool down. It'll be in the lower 80s, and then Monday is supposed to be in the 70s. So it looks like it's going to be a pretty nice weekend. Last couple of days, I had the video of the Coast Guard helicopter. Had military helicopters flying over here. This is like the 4th day in a row. Don't know why. Don't know why all of a sudden they're flying over. Makes you a little nervous, but I don't know. I guess they're just doing training right now because air show's coming up, I believe, in two weeks. They're gonna have the air show down in Quonset, so I'll have fighter jets flying over here probably next week. So hopefully I can get some video of them. Wanting to go to the air show, not sure whether we're gonna make it because it's gonna be extremely busy this year. They're offering free train rides to Quonset. So it'll be definitely interesting. So I'm getting out of here. I'm going to head home early. Hopefully we'll do something this afternoon. I got to wash my truck. Truck I was going to go see to look at to purchase was sold. So I'm not going to be able to get that one. So don't know what we're going to do tomorrow. Probably go down to a different dealership. They have others listed, but I know they're not going to be at the price that they're on the website for. So we'll see. But alright, I'm going to get going. I am going to head down to the truck and I'll get with you right now. Hey everyone, down in the truck right now. It is 78 degrees out. Not as muggy as yesterday. Very nice though. Light breeze. Kind of a hazy, cloudy sky. So I'm heading home right now, off for the weekend, and hopefully going to see a truck tomorrow. We'll see. So I will get with you in a few minutes. Mouth just isn't working today. I'm heading home. That's the easy way to say it. Like I do every day. Dash cam.